right, that's 8 ounces of triple cheddar cheese. Now I'm gonna grab some real bacon bits. Use half of this bag. I have 3 jalapenos diced. Beautiful. Now I'm gonna grab some softened cream cheese. We're gonna use this whole 8-ounce container and we're gonna put it right there. Beautiful. We're almost done here. We just have one more yummy ingredient to add to this, and that's gonna be some sour cream. We're gonna use this whole 8 ounces of sour cream and we're just gonna put it right in the middle. Juices and all. Scrape out all of that delicious sour cream. This is 8 ounces. I don't know if I already mentioned that, but it's important. 8 ounces of cream cheese, 8 ounces of sour cream, 8 ounces of cheddar cheese, and then the rest is up to you. Okay, we're going to give this a good mix. That's why it's important that your cream cheese is softened. You could also use a whipped cream cheese if you don't have time to soften your cream cheese and you're just making this right after you got home from the grocery store. But it's always nice to let your cream cheese soften, especially when you're making a yummy mixture like this. Okay, let's go ahead and put this to the side. Now I'm gonna go ahead and grab some wonton wraps, and I have here a mini cupcake tin. Let's go ahead and grab our wraps. These you can find right by the eggs at your local grocery store. And we're gonna go ahead and grab our wonton wraps and just kind of press it right into each muffin hole, just like this. These are gonna be so good and so easy to make. I love the pre-made wonton wraps. Obviously, if you're a professional chef, you can make your own wonton wraps, but we all know there's no professionals here. We like things easy and quick, which is why I bought the pre-made ones.
Whoa. Speak for yourself. I'm a pro.
All right, well, whatever you say. And just be careful, I did kind of rip some of these with my fingernails, and my nails aren't even that long, so if you have longer fingernails than me, just be extra cautious. Maybe use like a spoon or something to press them down.
Or a shot glass.
Yeah, whatever you have on hand, I'm sure it will work. Okay, we're almost done here, and then we're gonna fill up these little wontons with our yummy cream cheese jalapeno mixture.
Oh.
These are gonna be like a jalapeno popper wonton. I mean, that's just the best thing I've ever heard yet.
Yeah, jeez.
Okay, almost done. And you don't need to grease the pan with these little wonton wrappers. They have enough flour on them. Okay, there you go. So this is a mini cupcake pan. Most of them have 24, but mine just has 12 because I don't need more than 12. It's just 2 of us in my household, so 12 is gonna be plenty. Now I'm gonna go ahead and grab that mixture, and this is a tablespoon scooper, and we're gonna go ahead and grab a tablespoon of our mixture just like that, and just kind of get it right in there, kind of push it in there. It's okay if it's a little uneven. It kind of helps stick that wonton wrapper in the muffin tin. All right, we're almost done here. Last 2, scoop in there and then push for extra. Woo. It's okay if it's a little messy because it's gonna be so good when it's all baked together. Use your fingers if you need to. Last one. And then these are ready for the oven. How quick is that?
Super fast.
Push them in like that. Easy. Woo. Okay, beautiful. Okay, just make sure they're all kind of in their little muffin tin holes, best of your ability, so that we get little wonton cups with a jalapeno spice to it. All right, these are going in the oven at 350 for about 20 minutes. Oh my, these cooked even quicker than I expected. Look how delicious they look. Okay, I'm gonna try to pop them out with just my hands, but I have a fork here.
I think you can.
Yeah, I think I can too. Oh yeah, easy peasy. Look how good these came out, and they just keep their shape. That's why I love those little wonton wrappers. Oh my goodness,
so cute.
Right? I am so happy with how these came out. Okay. Yummy. Ooh, look how cute they look on my little serving platter too.
Looks so cute.
Beautiful. Okay, it is time to try one of these. Let's get this out of the way.
Are you excited?
I am so excited. Look at those. I love them. Okay, let's go ahead and try one. I'm gonna go ahead and grab this one in the middle right here. Oh my gosh, it is perfectly cooked.
Ooh, that crunch.
Ooh.
So not even that spicy, huh?
Oh my gosh, it's perfect. It's so good, you guys. Gotta try it.